Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Greetings, peace, and love, brothers and sisters. My name is Sheikh Salihu, Sadiq, and Baki. I want to come and do a short video on my journey to finding Allah, on my journey to Muridism, on my journey to finding serene tuba and sheikh-yeAer. Grew up a hardcore Christian. That's all I knew here in America was Christianity. But I knew something was missing. There was a missing piece of this puzzle in finding God. And I wasn't getting the satisfaction and wasn't getting a teacher or a saint or a spiritual leader or a guide that knew God. So my journey brought me to this great Sufi saint. I didn't know what a Sufi was. Knew very little about Islam. Didn't know what it was to be a Muslim. All of this stuff was new to me. As soon as I found serene tuba, my life started to change. Things became more clear, I had more peace, and that brought this hunger to keep searching, to keep staying on this path. Because I said, I finally found what I was looking for. I finally found someone who can bring this salvation, who can tell me about God. This journey brought me to my sheikh, Sheikh Musa. He came to me and started teaching me about serene tuba, about sheikh-yeAer, about this beautiful city called Tuba, about this heaven on earth. All of this was mind-boggling to me, to know that such a place exists, to know that such a person exists during our lifetime. Something that I can go and see with my own eyes. And that's where I am now, working, spreading the teaching of serene tuba, letting the people in the West know who serene tuba is. He was unknown to us. And I'm like, how could this exist when we don't know anything about this great saint? He was hidden, and now he's known. And I said, man, I got on this path. I started teaching it to my family. I started teaching it to my friends. I said, man, y'all got to learn about this great man named serene tuba. And I guess through my dedication and through my work, my sheikh said, I'm going to appoint you sheikh. I'm like, well, you know, what did that mean? I didn't want anything like that. I'm just wanting to love and just to work and be a servant. And he was like, well, you didn't ask. Did I ask you, did you want to be a sheikh? I'm like, well, I don't even know what to do as a sheikh. He said, what you doing now? Spreading the teaching and bringing people to serene tuba. My sheikh is the son of Serene Salihu, Sheikh Jilly. So I made my journey to Senegal, went to the holy city of Tuba, met Serene Jilly. My sheikh explained to him the work that I was doing and that I was appointed sheikh over in the West because of the dedication and the love that I have for serene tuba. This is my life, you all. I know nothing else. But Allah, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, serene tuba, sheikh-yeAer, serene Salihu. That's all I know. I want to know more and more of this and keep spreading this to my people, not just here in the West, but in the entire world. Serene Tuba is the last hope that we have, people. All the madness that's going on in this world, I can guarantee you the way of Serene Tuba will help you in all of your suffering. That's guaranteed. So this sheikhood thing got validated, or a stamp of approval or seal by Serene Salihu's son, Sheikh Jilly. And he gave me an order, gave me an adigo. He told Sheikh Musa, teach him these 6 books of Serene Tuba that we learned in the Dara. And for me to learn these 6 books and to go and teach this to my people here in the West and into the world. Just like Jesus had the disciples and sent them out and said, go and teach the gospel. That's my job, is to teach the way of Serene Tuba. I die for this. I put my life on the line. Serene Tuba is the way. This man said that Allah ordered him to proclaim to the world that he is refuge, he is salvation. If you want to find Allah and if you want the good of both of these worlds, he said you only have to follow me. I can guarantee you all. Follow and work for Serene Tuba, your life would change dramatically. Your spirituality will increase. That light of Allah will start to glow in your heart and in your life. This is guaranteed. I just want to say Jerry Jeff, Serene Tuba, Jerry Jeff, Serene Tuba, Jerry Jeff, Serene Tuba, for choosing me to come in and to join you in this ocean of mercy, in this beautiful, beautiful, great calling. The great calling of Serene Tuba is the ocean of mercy, people. And that is the essence of Muridism. Thank you for taking your time to listen. And in the words of Islam, I say, Assalamu alaikum.